Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Weller Soldering Kit is probably one of the most versatile and reliable soldering kits on the market, perfect for both beginners venturing into the exciting world of electronics and seasoned professionals needing a dependable tool for intricate projects. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started, from high-quality soldering irons with adjustable temperature control to a variety of solder types and helpful accessories ensuring a smooth and efficient soldering experience, no matter the complexity of your task. Number 5. Weller Soldering Education Kit W1010 EDU. This kit has everything you need to learn soldering. It's designed for ease of use and high-quality results. It features a powerful 70W iron that's easy to handle. This ensures consistent temperature for reliable soldering. The temperature lock protects your tips and components. It also gives you repeatable, high-quality soldering results. The included cutter is perfect for trimming wires. It can easily handle wires up to 20 AWG. The kit also includes lead-free solder and 2 genuine Weller tips. Everything you need to get started is right here. With its 8 pieces, this kit provides a comprehensive introduction to soldering. It's perfect for beginners and hobbyists. What we like. It features a powerful 70W iron and provides temperature stability for high-quality soldering. If you're a beginner or student, this kit is perfect for learning and practicing soldering techniques with its included lead-free solder. It's ideal for educational purposes and small projects. What people say. Solid construction and seems like it'll last a long time. Quick heat and comfortable handle. The W1010NA was designed in Germany and is made in Mexico. Even the cradle for the soldering iron is made of what appears to be solid die-cast zinc with a durable black powder coating, paint. And that's good because you want a heavy cradle that doesn't easily move around and tip over as you use it. The temperature control is incredibly precise, and the digital display makes it easy to adjust and monitor. It heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures, which is perfect for both delicate electronics and heavier tasks. The included brass sponge tip cleaner is a great bonus and keeps the tips in excellent condition. The ergonomic design of the soldering iron feels comfortable during extended use. It's well-built, durable, and performs like a professional-grade tool. Number 4. Weller WLRPK 8012A Soldering Iron Kit. This kit provides everything you need for various soldering tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even during extended projects. Experience a comfortable and continuous soldering experience thanks to its ergonomic power grip. It's perfect for detailed work like stained glass or home repairs. Changing tips is quick and easy. This allows you to adapt to different applications and replace worn tips effortlessly. It comes with a variety of tip designs, including chisel, screwdriver, and bent screwdriver tips. This makes it suitable for a wide range of soldering applications. It's powerful enough for heavy-duty applications. You'll be able to tackle even the most demanding soldering jobs with ease. The ergonomic power grip reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to work comfortably for longer periods. This makes it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. What we like. This kit boasts an ergonomic power grip for comfortable soldering, making it perfect for extended use. The quick tip change feature allows for easy tip replacement and versatility. If you need a comfortable and adaptable soldering iron for various tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. This iron is so hot it laughs at 12 to 10 gauge wire. You can use for attaching connectors, but you have to be quick or it will melt the connector housing. This 80W iron did the job easily. This iron heated up the area very quickly, which was safer for the windings. I was able to apply a generous portion of solder, problem solved. Heats up great. Cleans nicely. Number 3. Weller D550PK Soldering Gun Kit. This professional soldering gun kit is built for durability and ease of use. It's perfect for demanding tasks and provides excellent performance. It's designed to withstand the rigors of professional use. You can count on it for reliable performance, time after time. This soldering gun offers 2 heat settings, 260 watts and 200 watts. Select the perfect temperature for your project with a simple trigger. It heats up quickly, saving you valuable time. Get started on your project in seconds. The pistol grip design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Its intuitive design makes soldering easy. The fingertip trigger lets you easily switch between high and low heat settings. Achieve precise soldering results every time. It comes with 3 different tips and solder, so you have everything you need to get started. Everything is conveniently stored in a carrying case. What we like. It's a heavy-duty gun with dual heat wattage for professional-grade soldering. The pistol grip design ensures comfortable and efficient operation. If you're a professional or serious hobbyist tackling demanding projects, this powerful tool is a must-have. Number 2. Weller D650 Soldering Gun Kit. For decades, Weller has been a leader in crafting superior tools for professionals. This soldering gun kit reflects that commitment to excellence, built to handle even the toughest tasks. It's designed to withstand the rigors of demanding industrial applications. You can depend on it to perform consistently, job after job. Weller is internationally recognized for its wide array of high-quality products. This kit is a testament to our global reputation for dependability. Every detail of this kit was carefully considered with the professional user in mind. It's engineered for efficiency and ease of use. Experts around the world rely on Weller tools for their precision and durability. This kit is a prime example of that trusted quality and performance. This is the Weller D650 Industrial Soldering Gun Kit. It's the perfect tool for any professional who demands the best. What we like. This industrial-grade soldering gun is built to withstand the toughest jobs. Its robust construction and high wattage make it perfect for demanding applications. If you need a reliable and powerful tool for heavy-duty industrial soldering, this is your best choice. What people say. It heats fast and handles heavy jobs fast. This iron works on command, no waiting. Very nice case too, see-through window. Comes with extra tips and solder to get you started. It solders beautifully, and that is what is really important. For fun, I also measured the tip temperature using an industrial thermocouple probe, and found that the tip hit 1150 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 1. Weller Lurk 6012A Soldering Iron Kit. This soldering iron kit is designed for precision and ease of use. Its innovative features will make your soldering projects easier and more efficient. It features a 360-degree LED halo ring. This provides bright, focused illumination for high-quality soldering. The ergonomic pencil grip gives you the comfort and control you need for intricate work. You'll appreciate the precision it offers. Changing tips is quick and easy. This allows you to adapt to various soldering applications effortlessly. It comes with a full range of tip designs, conical, chisel, and screwdriver. This makes it perfect for any soldering task. The integrated safety rest keeps it secure when not in use. This protects your workspace and prevents accidents. What we like. It offers superior visibility with its LED halo ring and provides optimal precision and control for intricate work. The quick tip change feature adds convenience. If you value precision and need bright illumination for detailed soldering tasks, this kit is for you. What people say. The larger tip on this iron acts as an effective heat reservoir, especially if you're not soldering PC boards. I use it for point-to-point wiring, and it's perfect for that. The iron is comfortable in the hand. The rubber grip feels nice and does not get too hot. The cord is thin and very flexible. It allows the iron to stay where you place it. I do like the 2 extra tips being included. So you have 1 wide chisel tip for heavier work and 2 fine tips, for soldering to a circuit board or something. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.